guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to a new video. As you can see in front of me, I've got the new cartridge for the turbo. So what we're going to do in today's video is we're going to get that changed out. It comes with all new seals and gaskets in there. Never done one of these before, so it's still going to be sort of a learning curve for me. But it should be pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward. That has already been calibrated, so I'm told, which is good. We'll leave that out the way. So as you can see, I've got the hot side of the turbo off there. I've given it a bit of a clean up, and I've given that a clean up as well. What I've done is I've sanded around the edge of here, just so that fits. It's a better fit. So what I'm going to do now is put it all back together, get that in position, and then we need to take this apart. So I'm going to get that done and I'll come right back. Right guys, so what I've done is I've attached the new cartridge to the cold side of the turbo. See there. I've given it a bit of a clean up as well. Not the best, but it will do. And there's the old one. Look at the state of that. It's actually missing some fins off of it as well. If you can see there. And there, very, very stiff. You can hear that. But yeah, just going to tighten these screws up, and then we can get it attached to this side. It's all nice and clean now, ready to put back together. So I'll just get these tightened up and then I'll come straight back. It's all back together now. You can see the new cartridge in there. Let's turn it around. All good. Turn it over. Great job. Right. Look at this old cartridge. You hear that noise? Look at that movement. Yeah, so. Right. Look at them fins, look at that. The state of them, look. That's how they should be. See, not to mention the state of the back of this as well. Look at that. I just hope it fixes it. So be a shame if it doesn't. All this work is for nothing. But I mean, that needed changing anyway. So yeah, that's all done. I've ordered a new oil filter, so obviously we're going to drop that oil we put in. That was no good, but we've got plenty of oil, so then we'll put fresh new oil in. And I do want to get the cat off, and because it's just caked in oil, so I don't know what I can or can't do with that. I'm going to have a look online, see what's what. But yeah, that's sort of where we are at the moment with this. So just while I'm here as well, let me just take this glove off. I ordered this, came the other day. It is a new backlight, because as you can see, that one's cracked all round, so we can get that done. And as well, what I want to do, I want to get all these wheels off. There. Around the other side, I want to give them a paint. So as you can see, they look horrendous. So that'll tidy that up a little bit. Right. As you can see, what we've done is taken the cat off. Just letting that soak. Probably need to find a bigger bucket, to be fair. It's not really doing much. Wheels, we sprayed the wheels. Well, the two front ones. What I've done under here. Drain the oil down. We're going to get the sump off. We're not going to take the rocker cover off for now. We're just going to drop the sump, make sure that the pickup pipes not getting blocked. Yeah, just going to let that soak, and then as you can see, there's a lot of oil in there. Does that focus? Yeah. So they need a good clean, get a wide brush on them. Yeah, slowly but surely. So what we'll do next, get them wheels back on. Try and find a bigger bucket for the cat, and then we can drop the sump. So I'll get them on, and then we'll start dropping the sump. So we've now got the front wheels back on. I must say that looks 10 times better. Just got the rears to do, but for now it completely changes the look of it. Let me make it bigger. Very happy with that. Right, now just in the process of getting this sump off. Now there is a bracket. Where's that bracket? There, which we need to take out. It's the gearbox bracket, so that drops out, and then there's 3 bolts that side to get to. We'll drop the sump, and then we'll check the pickup pipe to make sure that that is not blocked. And we have had the catalytic converter soaking for a couple of hours now. Put some brake cleaner fluid through it. As you can see, it's worked a treat. So just gonna let that dry, let it do its thing. So yeah, slowly but surely, getting there. That's the other side there. Right guys, while I'm down here, I'm just gonna show you this bracket that you need to take off. It's this one here. Just get the last bolt out. There it is. Right, that's the bracket you need to remove to get to the sump if you're working on one of these vans. So we can get to all them bolts now, so we're going to get that off and then I'll come back. Okay, as you can see, I've now taken the sump off. And this is what we're dealing with. So I'm going to have a little look at that. Make sure it's all as it should be. Give it a good clean up, get all of that gasket sealant off. And once I'm confident that it's all as it should be, then I can get that put back on. Okay, so like I said, we've got the sump out. That all looks to be fairly clear, which I haven't emptied all the oil out yet, so it's yet to be known. What I did find is this in the mesh and the pickup section. It's like a plastic, so not sure what that is. If anyone has any ideas as to what that could be, do let me know in the comments. I mean, it could be anything, but yeah, it's some sort of rubbery, plasticky thing, so it's a little bit concerning. But yeah, that's all for today's video. We've got the turbo done, sump's off, we've got the cat off. So yeah, so if you like the video, don't forget to leave the thumbs up, and if you're new, do consider to subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification. We're going to carry on with this tomorrow. I'm not sure when the next video will be uploaded. Oh, and we've removed the oil filter as well. Look how black that is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you very soon. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well at Car Trader Diaries. I'll be posting little sneak peek pictures on there and so on. So yeah, until next time guys, take it easy and I'll see you soon. Peace.